How to delete Yubo account permanently. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Yubo application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged into the account. Once you're logged in, now navigate to the profile page from the top right corner. After that, you will land on your profile page. Now from here, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Now under the settings page, scroll all the way down and at the very end there you will have an option as delete account. Tap on it. Now you have to type delete to confirm. So type in delete from your keyboard. After that, tap on this delete option. Once you do that, your account will get deleted. And that's how you can delete Yubo account permanently. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.